So while everybody was having fun with Goddard, the word of the day, and in fact for the year for the stock market, is resolve. All the major indices, in fact, surged into the close, and the S&P and the Nasdaq actually finished in a plus column. You can see the Dow is down only 9 points. Now, on Monday, I pointed to the global economy as a reason to filter out all of the noise, also rotation into small cap stocks from utilities, as another sign of confidence in the stock market. Well, today there was more evidence of the global economy. Purchasing manager numbers from around the world came through. France is at a 76-month high. Germany's at a 77-month high. By the way, one of the reasons Merkel's going to coast to victory on Sunday. The United States actually dipped, but the headline was deceiving because manufacturing rose to a 7-month high. Moreover, those hurricanes are only having a marginal impact on the economy thus far. Of course, a stronger global economy is even more reason for pushing for fair and free trade. And on that score today, the International Trade Commission unanimously ruled that the avalanche of cheap imported solar panels violates rules. This now actually paves the way for President Trump to take action. And the remedies would call for tariffs, which would, of course, protect American jobs and even provide some assistance to the coal industry. So that's a layup for him sometime perhaps next week. Rotation as a theme. On Monday, I also said watch for the Russell 2000 index to outperform as money comes out of the safety of things like utilities. Well, the Russell closed today at a new all-time high, while utilities closed down 2.6%, the weakest of all S&P sectors. Investors scrambling for bargains, even for short-term gains, and there are a lot of left-for-dead names that are beginning to bounce. Today, in fact, Finish Line had a 27% trading range in one day. It closed 20% off the intraday low. I will caution this stock is only for nimble traders. However, a stock that has some long-term value that people are buying is Equifax. Yeah, Equifax surged 10% this week, even as the bad news never stopped coming. I'm not in that one, but I think some real value players are. A stock everyone's worried about, I have to address it, as Apple. Of course, they released their iPhone 8, and they updated that watch to mixed reviews. I have this in my retirement account. I've had it for years. I never look back. I'm going to hold it all the way through the iPhone 10, which, by the way, is going to be a big hit with fat margins. Now, the trends that are working are computer chips, and I think they're going to drive everything, right? You got the next evolution of technology from Internet of Things, autonomous cars, artificial intelligence. Most of these are up huge, but if you're looking for exposure to the group, consider analog devices, ADI.